been so caught up in life that you didn't realize your body was begging for attention? Don't worry, you're not lazy. You're probably just physically burnt out and your body knows it. If you're feeling like you need a pick-me-up, today's episode is for you. We're exploring the sacred connection between self-love, physical care, and how tuning in to your body is actually an act of worship. From hydration and gentle movement to honoring your limits with grace, I'll share small, doable shifts that help you reconnect with the body God designed just for you. And to support you on this journey, my Life Design Workbook is available in my Rise, Love, Live Etsy boutique. It's filled with loving prompts and space to reflect, realign, and reset. You'll find the link in the show notes just below. Okay, my sweet, grab that cozy blanket, your favorite tea, and let's dive in. It's time to care for the vessel that carries that beautiful soul of yours. Do you find yourself struggling with constant anxiety, stress, or burnout? Maybe you're navigating through overwhelming waves of sadness or darkness. Has someone allowed you to believe that you're unworthy? Well then, we're here to debunk those beliefs and help you to overcome them. Hello, my friend, and welcome to the Radiance from Within podcast, guiding Christian women to build their confidence and self-worth. My name is Heidi, and I'm so excited to have you here. We'll work together to help you overcome negative beliefs by incorporating prayer, devotionals, and journaling into your daily routine. Additionally, we'll explore the power of words and how they can impact your mindset and well-being. Because when you unleash your inner peace, you will find the desire and strength to spread kindness and compassion. Join me each week and unlock your radiance from within. Discover your power and strength and embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Hello, beautiful. So if you've been following along the past couple of weeks, you know we've been chatting about the importance of self-care and self-love. And when I'm taking care of myself, sometimes I only focus on my mental self-care, but that's only looking at one side of the coin. And I apologize if I gave you that impression. My youngest is always giving me grief about that, and he's not wrong. You see, self-love and self-care must be looked at holistically, the whole package. Your mind, body, and spirit all need tending to, just like a garden. Some days your soul needs sunshine with joy, laughter, and connection. Other days your spirit needs rain through tears, rest, or simply quiet time to soak in what life is throwing at you. And just like certain plants close up at night to rejuvenate, your body needs stillness to restore. And although we want to see results right away, you can't force everything to bloom at once. And the same goes for you. You can't rush your growth either. We must tend gently to all parts of ourselves and trust the process even when unseen. Because if you don't find that perfect balance of self-care, your body will surely let you know. I promise you that. My back has taught me the importance of tuning in rather than powering through. There was a season in my life when I ignored every signal my body was sending me. I would call it pushing through. But really, I was pushing my body to the brink. And then one day, my back simply said, no more. That pain forced me to stop, to listen. And slowly, ever so slowly, I started to hear what my body had been whispering all along. I need your care. I need your attention. I need your love. 1 Corinthians puts it so beautifully. Our bodies are holy because our bodies are important. Our Father in heaven wants us to take good care of them. He knows that we can be happier, better people if we are healthy. You see, when we start to view our body as a sacred space, we begin to treat it differently, not with guilt or pressure, but with reverence. But shifting into that kind of care, it's not always easy. We carry years of habits, beliefs, and busyness that has taught us to ignore or even deprioritize our needs. And yes, I know, change is hard, especially when we've spent years putting ourselves last. But that doesn't mean change isn't possible. It just means it's going to take a little tenderness, a little intention, and a lot of grace. So let's dig into what I mean about physical self-care. Physical self-care isn't about chasing perfection or following trends. It's about honoring the beautiful vessel God gave you. Whether it's choosing nourishing food, drinking more water, or simply getting some fresh air, each small act of care is a way of saying thank you to the body that carries your spirit. Because beneath the noise of daily life, your body offers quiet wisdom about what it needs to thrive. The art is learning to listen with kindness and respond with care. So with that thought on our hearts, just like we did with a few ideas for mental self-care last week, let's walk through a few gentle and practical ways you can better take care of your bodies this week. First and foremost, if you do nothing else, drink more water. Hydration isn't glamorous, it's powerful. Without it, our organs can't do their job. And as an 80s kid, I'll tell you this, I didn't think too much about drinking enough water until I met my husband. Although he's 3 years older than me, he's always been very good about drinking water, and now I am too. Remember, you want to consume about half your weight in ounces. Next, another super easy one, go for a walk. You don't need to hit the gym for hours, just walking clears the mind and awakens your body. You can walk around your garden, your neighborhood, or if you're feeling adventurous, take your pooch to the woods. And if you're up for a bit more movement, try a workout class like Zumba or whatever the rage is these days. Don't feel like leaving the house? No worries. Tap into the energy of dancing for 10 minutes. That'll get your heart pumping and your spirit up. 2 scoops, 1 cone. Woohoo! Another super easy one? Well, if you're a good cook or have a partner who loves to cook, eat more home-cooked meals. There's something sacred about preparing food with love. And if cooking isn't your thing, then try swapping out sweet snacks for fruit. Small and mighty changes, my sweet. That's what we're looking for here. Now, let's be honest. It's not that we don't want to take care of ourselves. It's just that it's hard sometimes. Life gets busy, we get tired, and yet again, self-care and self-love start to feel like a luxury instead of a necessity. So let's name a few of the big things that tend to get in our way and talk through how we can gently shift them out of our way. First, you're too busy. Okay, I get it. You're carrying a lot. Your plate is overflowing and carving out time for yourself feels impossible. But remember our topic from last week? Emotional burnout? That's real and we don't want that, do we? So we must prioritize ourselves, even if it's just a mere 10 minutes a day. It will make a difference. And hey, can you squeeze 10 minutes on both ends? Bonus, that equals 20. Now, what if you aren't motivated? Yep, me too. Scrolling Instagram is way easier than reading. But you know what? That will deplete you. It won't fill you. So don't wait for motivation to strike. You must be in charge. And we're not looking to create some elaborate routine. Just choose one simple thing, like going to bed 15 minutes earlier or pouring that one extra glass of water. Start there. That little shift is often enough to get the momentum going. Just be gentle. Be intentional. Did you try one of the mindfulness practices from last week? Fantastic. Now add 1 extra glass of water to your day, or take a walk around the block. Perhaps you even dance around your kitchen in the evening while cooking a home-cooked meal. See how easy that was? Remember, it's about progress, not perfection, right? And Psalm 139 reminds us, I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. When we truly embrace that truth and begin to care for our physical selves with that same wonder, everything else starts to feel a little lighter. You were wonderfully made. Try one new thing at a time, just one, until you find the rhythm that feels right for you. Not what someone else says you should do, what your body and mind are gently asking for. And my sweet friend, if you're ready to deepen your journey of self-love and start showing up for yourself with more care and clarity, be sure to grab your life design workbook from the Rise, Love, Live Etsy boutique. It's a gentle, empowering guide to help you reflect, reset, and create a life that honors who you truly are. You'll find the link in the show notes just below. Now, let's settle in for our prayer. Deep breath in and out. Dear God, thank you for the gift of this body. Help me to treat it with honor, gentleness, and love. Remind me to care for it, to listen to what it needs, not just when it hurts, but every day. Guide me toward choices that restore my energy, nourish my spirit, and draw me closer to you. And we lift all of this up in Jesus' name, amen. Remember, physical self-care is soul care in action. Every time you choose rest over rush, nourishment over neglect, and movement over stagnation, you're saying yes to the fullness of who you were created to be. And until we meet again, beautiful, I believe in you. Now it's your turn. Thank you for joining me on today's podcast. But before you go, a simple request. If this podcast has made a difference in your life, please leave a review where you listen and share this episode with someone who could use a little light today. Knowing my show has impacted your life brings me so much joy. Remember to explore my Etsy boutique to discover the workbook you need most this month. And until next time, my friend, ignite inspiration, spread hope, and dance with faith.